Ah, good morning. So, cooking session na naman tayo. Chill lang dito sa Lake Solon with Kuya. Ano pangalan niya, Kuya?
Ray.
Kuya Ray. So, buhon, balik na Ray. And guys, sama tayo. So we are traditional cooking. So sa locally called buyok. So, atong rice karon is nakabuyok para mura Jollibee o lasa o timplada. So we have 17 guests, 16 guests, 17 including me. Come chill dito sa Lake Solon with Tribu Malaya.